What is a bridal set ring? Discover the perfect wedding set. A bridal set ring is a unique piece of jewelry that represents love and commitment. These sets are elegant works of art. They tell a unique story and journey of two hearts coming together and symbolize the promise of forever. When couples choose matching bridal sets, they add deeper meaning to their special day. The coordinated design of what is a bridal set ring highlights unity and emotional significance. What is a bridal set ring? It's an elegant jewelry piece that combines the best of two categories. One part is the engagement ring. The other is a wedding band. These pieces are designed to fit together perfectly. The set ensures both rings complement each other in style and appearance. Bridal sets have a rich history. They can be traced back to ancient Egyptians. Their designs have changed with time. Earlier ones were simple and modest, while today's sets feature various styles and complex details. Modern couples now have endless options to choose from. These sets make ring shopping simplified and more efficient. There's no need to search for matching pieces separately. The rings are already designed to work together. What is a bridal set ring if not a time-saving piece? Its design saves time and prevents style mismatches. Breaking the myths. Why a bridal set isn't just a trend. Bridal sets are sometimes misunderstood. There are various misconceptions regarding what is a bridal set ring. These include: 1. Bridal sets are only for traditional couples. Many assume bridal sets only appeal to conventional tastes. This isn't true. Modern bridal sets come in various styles. They suit both classic and modern tastes. Some designs are bold and unique, while others feature minimalist approaches. There's something for every couple's style. 2. Bridal sets are too expensive. Some bridal sets are investment pieces, but they are not too expensive. Others are available at modest price points. Purchasing a coordinated set provides better value. It's typically more economical than buying rings separately, and many jewelers offer special pricing on sets. 3. All bridal sets look the same. In fact, this couldn't be further from the truth. After all, what are wedding ring sets if not versatile? Bridal sets come in an incredible variety. Each bridal set has its own character. Designs range from vintage to modern. Some feature colored gems, while others showcase unique metal combinations. There's no limit to the ways you can express your love through a bridal set. 4. Bridal sets are only for engagement and wedding rings. Bridal sets have evolved beyond the traditional bridal set versus engagement ring pairings. Modern sets may include anniversary bands or eternity rings. Additional pieces can be added over time. They celebrate relationship milestones throughout marriage. This adaptability makes bridal sets a meaningful tradition. Modern twist. Customizing your bridal set. Personalization is all the rage nowadays when it comes to bridal jewelry. More couples seek rings that tell their unique love story. Custom bridal sets include elements with special meaning. These might include birthstones or specific design motifs. Jewelers now offer more customization options than ever before. The possibilities for customizing a bridal set are endless. Couples can select their preferred center stone. Options include traditional diamonds or alternative gemstones. What is a wedding band ring without its metal? Metal choices range from classic yellow gold to modern white gold. Rose gold and platinum are also popular. Even small details can be personalized. Romalar. Reliable for bridal set rings. At Romalar, we cherish every detail of love. Our bridal sets focus on fine craftsmanship and unique designs. We reflect deep emotions in every piece and understand that your bridal set is a lifetime treasure. That's why we combine quality materials with thoughtful designs that endure. We offer many engagement and wedding rings and band options. Custom options are also available.